Hello, this is a lesson on piece valuation assignment puzzle 5. Today we are going to look at a very advanced concept in Chinese chess, whether pieces can be traded for turns. So let us consider a very popular opening in Chinese chess. So we have the following sequence. Now in this setup, black has chosen e3 plus 5, opening red to this r2 to 3. This will allow red to capture black's horse. So red doesn't move that first, red move h8 plus 7, moving the horse up, and black is moving his advisor as so. So in this situation, red has the opportunity to capture the dead horse, so moving the rook 2 to 3 in such a manner. Now it seems like black has made a blunder by actually offering himself a free piece to red. However, black has deliberately played this move. Let us continue. So black now responds by playing c2 plus 4, moving the cannon to this position. Now in this setup, red cannot capture the black horse immediately. If red capture the black horse immediately by moving this, then black cannon can hit or attack red's pawn, and the red rook will be dead in this position. Now in this setup, red rook can neither move left nor right. So red is forced to basically move this for a sacrifice for the cannon. Now, it may seem that on paper this is a fine trade because red has actually traded 2 pieces. So if we look at the piece traded, so red has actually traded for 1 horse and 1 cannon for a total of 8.5 points. Black has eaten or captured 1 rook for a total of 9 points. However, black now has a black cannon to capture the red's elephant for another piece. So all in all, red suffer extreme losses. Moreover, by exchanging this sequence, black will have a very strong attack on this end, and this attack is actually unstoppable. So red will have lost the game if red has played in this manner. So if we backtrack a bit to this previous position, so red in turn has to move p5 plus 1, moving the pawn up first to escape black's capture of red's rook before red actually capture the black horse. So red has to move pawn 5 plus 1. Now then black actually move rook 1 to 4, allowing red to capture the dead horse like so. And then black is now going to move the rook to this key pawn line position, forcing red to defend, because black next move is going to be cannon to capture this pawn. So if red ignores and moves something else, for example this, then black cannon can capture red pawn, and again red will be in the same situation whereby red would have lost a piece. So in order to prevent that, red will have to move r3 minus 1 to escape the rook. Now, so how can we judge this situation? So in this position, red has actually captured 1 horse. So it may seem like red is advantageous. So let us do the calculation. So red has captured 1 horse for a net positive gain of plus 4. Black has captured nothing so far. Alright. However, if we solely just base this on the piece value, then clearly red is advantageous. However, there are other factors to consider. In this situation, black has actually gained attacking moves. So let us retract back a bit to see where are the attacking moves. So when we have black moving c2 plus 4 in this situation, red is forced to move p5 plus 1 to escape this capture. So this move allows black to gain one move because this is actually a useful attack move, whereas red is simply responding. So black has actually gained from this position one attacking move. Now let us continue. So black moved this follow up, and then red has captured the black horse, and black now move the rook to the pawn line. And in this situation, red is again forced to run for his life by moving rook 3 minus 1. In this position, black has actually earned another move. So we have black gain another attacking move in this exchange. So what is the verdict on this situation? So based on numerous games and thousands of games of permutation, experts in the game has generally concluded that this is a worthwhile trade and an acceptable trade for both parties if you have this formula. So one horse is equal to 2 attacking moves. So in this situation, red has exactly gained 1 horse, whereas black has gained 2 attacking moves, and therefore in this particular situation, it is an acceptable trade for both parties. And this is one of the most advanced concepts in Chinese chess.